If you've ever wondered how a single Christmas gift could spark a lifelong passion, you're in the right place. Today, I want to share why a 20-gallon long aquarium given at Christmas could be the best way to start an incredible journey into fish keeping. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the family for more real-world aquarium tips. So picture this. It's Christmas morning. There's a young, excited kid ripping open a big, mysterious box. Inside, a sparkling, empty 20-gallon long aquarium. It's not just glass and water, it's a blank canvas for science, creativity, and responsibility. It's big enough to be stable, but fits right into a bedroom. And for a beginner, it's perfect. This isn't just a fun present, it's a world of learning, patience during cycling, planning the setup, realizing fish keeping is more than tossing in flakes. In this moment, a new hobbyist is born. Now, why the 20-gallon long? A lot of newbies start with tanks that are just too tiny. The 20-gallon long has a low profile, more swimming room, and the surface area for solid oxygen exchange. The best part? Water chemistry stays way more stable than in those little desktop tanks, which means less stress for the fish and less stress for you. It's big enough for a colorful community, but simple enough for a beginner to handle with weekly care. With this tank, you learn everything the right way: cycling, filtration, feeding, stocking, water changes, and yep, how to fix those classic beginner mistakes. Let's talk about the pros. Taking care of fish helps build daily routines and real responsibility. It sneaks in basic chemistry and problem-solving skills. You get to connect with nature, right in your own room. It teaches patience, long-term thinking, and gives you a real sense of pride every time your fish thrive because of your effort. I've seen it over and over. Kids who start young with fish grow into confident, detail-oriented adults, and the hobby sticks for life. But hey, let's keep it real. Aquariums do take work. Weekly maintenance is a must. Cycling the tank takes patience. The upfront cost can be a surprise, and beginners need guidance to avoid overfeeding or impulse buys. But honestly, these aren't drawbacks. They're opportunities to learn, especially with a little adult supervision. Here's what's wild: so many lifelong aquarists started just like this. One Christmas, one 20-gallon tank, and suddenly you're learning, experimenting, and maybe even dreaming about a full fish room. That first tank builds good habits, keeps things stable, and makes early success way more likely, so the excitement never fades. Today, it's a starter tank. Tomorrow, who knows? Maybe a lush planted setup, breeding projects, or a thriving community tank, all from one holiday morning. If this deep dive helped you see the magic in a first aquarium, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our growing family. I promise there's a lot more guides, tips, and inspiration coming your way.